Hi there, welcome to BITBEE. This is continuation video of bubble sort algorithm. In our previous video, we discussed about and visualized how bubble sort algorithm works. If you missed that video, I recommend you to watch that video and come here again. You can find the link to the previous video in the info section or also in the description. Alright, sit back and relax. Today we will code the bubble sort algorithm in Java and Python. Also we'll do time complexity analysis of bubble sort algorithm. Before diving into the topic, please subscribe to BITBEE. Also share with your friends. It means a lot and boosts us to create more videos. Thank you. Now let's code bubble sort in Java and later we'll show you the same code in Python. I would recommend you to concentrate on the logic instead of the language. Once you got the logic, you can implement it in using any language. Let's code the bubble sort algorithm, that is bubble sort method first. As we discussed in our previous chapter, bubble sort algorithm has mainly two steps. In first step, we will iterate through the entire list, and in the second step, we will keep comparing the adjacent elements. Using outer or first for loop, we will iterate through the entire list, and in the second step or inner loop, we will keep comparing the adjacent elements. So based on our sorting order requirement, we will swap them if the adjacent elements are in unsorted order. Let's quickly write a driver program to run this method and also a print utility method to see the output. Let's demonstrate and visualize this method by using the input array. In the first iteration, 20 and 30 will be compared. They are already in sorting order and there is no swap. Similarly, next 30 and 50 will be compared and there is no swap. Next 50 and 40 will be compared. Since 40 is smaller than 50, they have to be swapped. Now 50 and 10 will be compared. Since 10 is lesser than 50, they have to be swapped again. So in the same way, the inner loop keep continues 4 times for each outer iteration. So end of outer first iteration, the 10 will comes to very first place. Similarly, for every outer iteration, the element bubbles out to its right place, that is towards beginning. I hope now you understood the bubble sort well and also the implementation. If you have any questions on the bubble sort still, please don't hesitate to comment out. Now let's try to analyze the time complexity of bubble sort. If you take the input array size 5, that is on x-axis, against the number of comparisons we have done in the iterations. So here the number of comparisons comes to 5 into nearly 5, that is 25. Means it is n square. In real practical examples, when we consider larger arrays, the time complexity drastically increases with these nested loops. So in general, the fundamental algorithms like bubble sort and selection sort we will not use because of their quadratic nature, which drastically increases the time complexity with larger input size. Hope now you understand it well and you are in a position what is bubble sort and its time complexity. Please find out the Python snippet code here if you want it. Also, if you want to check the code, GitHub link was given in the description. Thanks for watching. If you find out the video is very helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to BITBEE. Also would request you to please share the channel with your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.